ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரி ஓம்.
இலை, புஷ்பம், பழம், தண்ணீர் இவை எதையேனும் யார் பக்தியுடன் சமர்ப்பிக்கிறாரோ அதில் நான் திருப்தியடைகிறேன். நேர்மையற்ற பக்தியை நான் ஏற்பதில்லை. இறையருள் கீதை.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. விருச்சிக ராசி, விசாகா நக்ஷத்ர, 4th பாதா, அனுராதா நக்ஷத்ர and ஜேஷ்டா நக்ஷத்ர. Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 3rd place. Hard work will fetch good results, but you will have to undergo a few hard situations. Do not lose hope. Be patient and composed. Avoid unnecessary expenditures. It is always advisable to invest money in a smart way. Do not interfere in unnecessary arguments as it will lead to mental disturbances. Concentrate in worshipping God with pure devotion. Divert your mind in spiritual activities. Vishakha Nakshatra, 4th Pada, Vrishchika Rasi. For people born in Vishakha Nakshatra, 4th Pada, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 6th Nakshatra. Take care of your health without negligence. There are chances to undergo surgery for chronic disease. Quit unnecessary bad habits. Do not lend or borrow money. There are possibilities for heavy loss in business. Male have to deal female with proper care and respect. Feed cow along with its calf. Health. Health aspects are stable. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Other than law students, all other branches will have a good progress in education. Students will do well in the upcoming examinations. Do meditation and yoga for good memory power and IQ. Work. After 12 months, work pressure will subside and condition will become stable. There are chances to get good name and fame. Work hard. Business. Business will be moderate. Be proactive and careful. Returns from share market will be moderate. Agriculture. Except fruits and vegetables, all the other crops will yield good profit. Court. A delayed success is seen. Do not lose hope. Be bold and win the cases with God's blessings. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts need to be extremely careful. There are chances for a defamation. After 12 months, the time will be favorable. House. After 6 months, time is favorable for buying a new house. Until then, do not have any plans of changing your house. Land. Selling land will be profitable. However, buying of land is favorable only after 6 months. Real estate will be good. Vehicle. This time is good for having vehicle dealings. However, new vehicles can be purchased after 6 months. Please start marriage initiatives only after 12 months for male. However, for female, time is favorable at immediate instant. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Vishakha Nakshatra, 4th Pada, should worship Veerabhadra, Ganapati and Durga and seek their blessings for good fortune. Vishakha Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Vishakha Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Vishakha Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Im Ram Vim Vishakha Nakshatra Adhipaya Indragnebhyam Namaha. Vishakha Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Indragnau cha vidmahe mahasreshthai cha dhimahe tanno Vishakha prachodayat. Anuradha Nakshatra, Vrishchika Rasi. For people born in Anuradha Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 5th place. Unnecessary traveling may occur. There are possibilities to have difference of opinion with family and friends. Do not indulge in unnecessary conversations. Control your anger and handle any situation in a composed manner. There are possibilities for new friendship which needs to be dealt with carefully. Work hard to achieve success. New business ventures will give good success. Health. Health aspects are stable. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Students will have a stable improvement. Especially female will have more improvement and favorable time. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Good progress is seen as a payoff for your continuous hard work and dedication. Business. People involved in businesses can expect a very good turnover. Traders will have to get good name and fame. Returns from share market is extremely good. Agriculture. Except fruits and vegetables, all other crops will yield good profit. Court cases. Success will be a little late, but do not lose hope. Pray to your family deity with constant confidence and dedication. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will see good progress and the time is extremely beneficial for them. This time they will definitely get good name and fame. House. Be careful for some time. After 12 months, time is favorable for buying house. Land. Selling of land will be beneficial, but buying of land will lead to a heavy loss. After 6 months, selling of land will deteriorate. Vehicle. Do not indulge in buying new vehicle for the next 30 months. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives after 3 months. You will get good results. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Anuradha Nakshatra should worship Lord Shiva, Dakshinamurti and Narasimhar and seek their blessings for good fortune. Anuradha Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Anuradha Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Anuradha Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hreem Shreem Am Mim Shum Anuradha Nakshatra Adhipaya Mitraya Namaha. Anuradha Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra.
Om Mitradeyayi Vidmahe Mahamitraya Dhimahi Tanno Anuradha Prachodayat.
Jyeshtha Nakshatra Vrishchika Rasi. For people born in Jyeshtha Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 4th place. Small or acute health disorders might come. Medical expenses might occur. Please be careful with your health and take proper care. Avoid unnecessary travels. Be careful with family and friends as there are possibilities of a heavy drishti dosha. Do not blow your own trumpet. You can expect good inflow of cash after 4 months. Health. Be extra careful in your health. Do not neglect medicines prescribed by the doctors. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Good progress is seen in studies. Students can take up new subjects and they will definitely obtain success. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be careful with fellow colleagues as there are chances for unnecessary conflicts. Do not interfere in unwanted issues. However, after 12 months, things will get better. Business. People involved in businesses like vegetable, textiles, hotel and fast food centers will get good profit. Returns from share market is moderate. Agriculture. Flowers, fruits and vegetables will give extreme profit. Court cases. Success will be a little late. Be patient. Do not lose hope. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will have a moderate time. Be courteous and kind with your fellow colleagues and superiors. House. Time is favorable, but you will have a lot of hurdles in your way. Land. Selling of land will be very beneficial, but think twice before you buy a land, as it will be unfavorable. Vehicle. Do not indulge in buying new vehicle for the next 12 months. Be careful while you travel. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives after 6 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Jyeshtha Nakshatra should worship Dashadig Palakas, who are Indra, Agni, Yama, Nairiti, Varuna, Vayu, Kubera, Ishana, Brahma and Vishnu. They should also worship Garuda and Anjaneya and seek their blessings for good fortune. Jyeshtha Nakshatra Mula Mantra and Jyeshtha Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times for good fortune. Jyeshtha Nakshatra Mula Mantra.
Om Aim Hrim Srim Lam Aim Shum Jyeshtha Nakshatra Adhipaya Indraya Namaha.
Jyeshtha Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Jyeshthaye Vidmahe Mahajyeshtaye Dhimahi Tanno Jyeshtha Prachodayat. A request to all the 12 Rashi people. For those who are not aware of your family deity, please consult with family elders and know them. If it is not known, worship your favorite god and seek their blessings. We all tend to carry out all the remedies prescribed by expert astrologers, but still a few of us are facing hardships. Whatever dharma and worship we do, that will definitely yield good result. This birth is a result of the deeds that we have done in the previous births as per the Shastra. Hence, do not be lethargic and lose hope. We are required to follow dharma and work sincerely with pure devotion to achieve success in life. Help others who are in need. Have a good and positive circle of people around you always. Respect elders in your family, guru, and other worshipful people, without which no pariharam or prayashchittam will be effective.